Here's my homemade generator that I built probably 7-8 years ago. It's diesel. It gives me 12 volts and 110. The engine is out of one of those flashing arrow signs. I don't have a clue how old it is. It's a Kubota EL300 EA. It's 4 horsepower diesel, direct injected. And I have it hooked up to an alternator in there, as it originally did. I don't know if you can see it or not. It's a 40 amp alternator, I think, and it gives me 12 volts. And above that, right here, is a 1000 watt inverter hooked to the battery. I've got a good chunk of a battery in there, car battery. It comes with a glow plug. I'll fire it up and let you have a listen to it. It's actually not really loud for a generator. It's also not a high output generator either. Plug this whole hairdryer into it. 1500 watt load. You can see it on here. It smokes a little at 1500 watts.